What's going on, everyone? It's me, Ron. I'm bringing you guys another video. This time, guys, I'm be doing another motovlog. Gonna be doing some exploring is what I'm hoping to do. That's what I want to do. We'll get the four-wheel out instead of the old pit bike. Let's go somewhere cool.
Where's that?
I don't know, like over there or something. I'm trying not to make any kind of tracks. Chickens! I only came here in this field once, but it was during hunting season, so I didn't actually like go in or anything like that. So. Seriously? Oh, sweet. Find us to come back this winter and grab this Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Look at this deer. Deer. Go check them out. I'm trying to sit on the edges so I don't mess any field up. Where are the deer at? Did they dip that fast? I guess that's why they're still alive, huh? Dang, there's some mud. I'm not trying to go over here. I'm trying to go right here. Could go in there. I think you can. Let's go back to our yard right now. I don't want to sit here. You want to take the 4-wheeler in the woods?
I used to all the time.
You want to?
Sure, but this thing does not drift on dry grass.
It'll look cool in the water.
It just tries to like lift the side up.
I've seen that.
Good. I was on 2 wheels there.
We're trying so hard not to ruin anything, but it's impossible. I see an orange truck. Hey, Corbin! I see that orange truck? See that orange truck? Keep a watch on it. I don't think he can see us, but just keep a watch on it.
Get back, go, go!
It's moving, but like I don't think he can see us. Stay in the woods. Yeah, there's a truck right there. For sure. This is still pretty deep, jeez. Oh my god. Don't stab me, thorns. Ow. He's right there, just go.
You just go?
Yeah. Should we?
Let's go to the bar.
Yeah. Mission success. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. What should they do after watching this video?
Go eat lunch.
No. Yeah, well, yeah, but it's good, but what else too?
I don't know.
What?